कक्षा 11 मा पढ्ने भाइ बहिनीहरुलाई यस ड्रिम्स लर्निङ जोनमा स्वागत छ। आज म यस भिडियोमा कक्षा 11 मा पढ्नुपर्ने कम्पलसरी इंग्लिश बुक मिनिङ इन्टु वर्ड्स को युनिट 1 को एक्सरसाइज 5.1 को बारेमा केही कुराहरु बताउन गइरहेको छु। आज हामी 1.5 को आस्किङ अबाउट सर्भिसेस भन्ने एक्सरसाइज मा दिएका केही क्वेशन्सहरुलाई हामी गर्न गइरहेका छौं। यस भिडियोमा म भाइ बहिनीहरुलाई यस भन्दा अघिल्लो भिडियोमा सिकेको have something done जुन स्ट्रक्चर छ त्यसको प्र्याक्टिस कसरी गर्ने भन्ने कुरा सिकाउन गइरहेको छु र हामी यस एक्सरसाइजमा डायलगको फर्ममा यो स्ट्रक्चरको प्र्याक्टिस गर्छौं। साथै यसमा हामीले लोकेसन प्रिपोजिसन यो सर्भिस प्रोवाइडिङ प्लेसहरु कहाँ छ कुन स्थानमा छ त्यसलाई बताउनको लागि युज हुने प्रिपोजिसनहरु पनि हामी यसमा प्रयोग गरेर हेर्छौं र यसमा हामी खास गरी दुईटा यो have something done र प्रिपोजिसन्सहरुको युज गर्छौं र हामी डायलगको फर्ममा हामी यो एक्सरसाइज गर्छौं। जस्तै एउटा एक्जाम्पल यहाँ दिएकै छ। जस्तै हामीलाई प्रम्प्ट दिएको छ your hair is too long, so that is the problem, and you want to cut your hair because your hair is too long. कपाल एकदम लामो छ र कपाल काट्ने सेवा प्राप्त गराउन चाहन्छौं हामी। सपोज अब यसको लागि हामी ए र बी को बीचमा कुराकानी कस्तो हुन्छ त हेरौं। जस्तै that is the problem. A says I want to have my hair cut. कपाल कटाउन चाहन्छु। सो कपाल काट्ने सेवा उले प्राप्त गर्नुपर्ने हुन्छ सर्भिस प्रोवाइडिङ प्लेसबाट, किनकि यो आफै गर्न सकिदैन, यसलाई पैसा तिरेर हामीले यो सेवा प्राप्त गर्नुपर्ने हुन्छ। A says I want to have my hair cut. Do you know a good hairdressers around here? So A is asking to be about a good hairdressers around here, so that A also could go there and get that service. So B replies, I usually have mine. Mine means my hair. So here mine भनेको my hair, यसमा हामीले pronoun युज गरेको छ। I usually have mine cut at Tony's. Tony's is a name of service providing place. It's a name of hairdressers. It's a particular name. And B says I usually have mine cut at Tony's. So A gets surprised and says Tony's, Tony Kuma. So he's asking about the location. Where is that exactly? यसो भयो यो टोनी को कपाल काट्ने ठाउँ अथवा यो टोनी हेयर ड्रेसर्स कहाँ छ त? So it is in. So there is the use of preposition. Davies street. Street को अगाडि हामी in प्रयोग गर्छौं। And another preposition is also here, opposite the cinema. So cinema को opposite छ. So that is the exact location of Tony's hairdressers. Okay. Now, in the same way, some ideas are given below. There are 7 ideas, and we have to make a similar type of conversations like in the example. So let's do the first one. So I will do one by one. So first question is number 1, your sheets are dirty. So यहाँ sheets हुनाले तन्नाहरु जस्तै कभरहरु बेड शीटहरु dirty छ, फोहोर छ, and you don't like to wash yourself. You want to get the service of washing the sheets. Now you have to make a similar conversation, okay, like in the example. So first A says, the speaker A says, he tells about his problem. I want to have, so you have to use mine. Your changes into mine seats. I want to have mine seats. So what kind of service you want? So washed. I want to have mine seats washed. So asking about the service providing place. Do you do you know a good laundry around here? नजिक यतै कतै कुनै राम्रो लुगा धुने ठाउँ छ? So it says I want to have mine seats washed, or you want to have my also my you want to have I want to have my sheets washed. Do you know a good laundry around here? Now B says B usually tells about the laundry where he usually goes. I usually I usually have my sheets are mine washed at, suppose you can write down Express. Suppose it's the name of Express Laundry. Okay. I usually have mine washed at Express Laundry. So A gets surprised when he hears the name of that laundry. Express Laundry. Express Laundry, where is that exactly? So asking about the location. So A also wants to go there. So he is asking about the exact location of Express Laundry. And again B replies, suppose it is in Kirtipur. It is in Kirtipur, and the exact particular location in Kirtipur is it is in Kirtipur. So suppose opposite to bus stop, suppose. So that is the exact location. So here we use the structure have something done, and there is also use of prepositions. It's location prepositions. Two location prepositions are used here in this exercise, and have something structure is also used here. So in the same way, you have to make similar type of conversations, dialogues of the given questions there. Let's see again. Your sheets are dirty. That is the problem, or that is the service you want to get. I want to have my sheets washed. Do you know a good laundry around here? So it means A does not know about a good laundry around here. He's asking to B, and B knows, or B tells about a good laundry where he usually goes there. I usually have mine washed at Express Laundry. So I have something done also. I usually have mine washed at Express Laundry. So Express Laundry is the new name, or A does not know about this, so he gets surprised. Express Laundry, and where is that exactly? So he does not know the exact location of Express Laundry, because he also wants to go there and get that service. He also wants to wash his sits there because it is good. It's a good laundry, and it is referred by B to him. It is in who express laundry. Where is that exactly? It is in Kirtipur. It is in Kirtipur ma cha yo ra yo kaha cha Kirtipur भन्दाखेरि opposite to bus stop. Okay, now question number 2 is, you are worried about your eyesight. Suppose you have problem of eyesight and you want to get your eyesight checked, or you don't know where is a good opticians or eye clinic or anything that provides services regarding eye. You are worried about your eyesight. Now we make a dialogue or conversation between A and B. A says, I want to have my eyesight. Now if you are worried about your eyesight, then what kind of service you want? So obviously you want to check your eyesight, so we have to use the verb check here. I want to have my eyesight checked or tested. You can also write down tested. Do you know do you know a good opticians around here? So obviously you get the service related to your eyes at an opticians. So you want to go to an opticians, but you don't know where is a good opticians around here. So B says, I usually have mine means my eyesight. I usually have mine checked or tested at, suppose, Raju Optical Center. Okay, Raju Optical Center, suppose. Again A says, Raju comma, where is that exactly? Now B gives location, exact location of Raju Optical Center. Suppose it is in Taudaha. It is in Tauda Machayo, or you can, it is at, suppose it is at Tauda, specific location. It is at Tauda, close to Taudaha gate. Prepositions, close, at, and have something done structure, have eyesight, have something done or tested. Okay. सबै एक्सरसाइजहरू गरेर यस भिडियोमा देखाउँदा भिडियो लामो हुने भएको हुनाले बाँकी एक्सरसाइजहरू मैले अगाडि नै गरेर ल्याएको छु, जुन म एक्सप्लेन गर्न गइरहेको छु। जस्तै अर्को नम्बरमा छ 3 नम्बरमा, योर कार निड सर्भिसिङ। सर्भिसिङको सेवा चाहिएको छ कारलाई। यसको लागि ए सेज, आई वान्ट टु हेभ माई कार सर्भिस्ड। डु यु नो अ गुड ग्यारेज। अब गाडी सर्भिसिङ गर्नको लागि ग्यारेजमा जाने हो, त्यसकारण राम्रो खालको ग्यारेज कतै छ भनेर सोध्दैछ। आई वान्ट टु हेभ माई कार सर्भिस्ड, डु यु नो अ गुड ग्यारेज अराउन्ड हियर। B says, I usually have mine serviced at auto care center. म चाहिँ खास गरी मेरो प्राय जसो अटो केयर सेन्टरमा गराउँछु भने अटो केयर वेयर इज दैट एक्ज्याक्टली त्यसो भए यो कहाँ छ त इट इज इन सानेपा जस्ट अपोजिट टु स्टार हस्पिटल यसै गरी नम्बर 4 मा छ यु हेभ जस्ट फिनिश्ड अ फिल्म इन योर क्यामेरा क्यामेरामा भर्खरै एउटा फिल्म सकेको छ अब यसलाई धुलाउनु पर्छ फोटो निकाल्नु पर्छ त्यसको कारणले गर्दाखेरि यसले सोध्छ आई वान्ट टु हेभ अ फिल्म डेभलप गर्नुपर्छ अर प्रिन्टेड आई वान्ट टु हेभ अ फिल्म डेभलप्ड डु यु नो अ गुड कलर ल्याब अराउन्ड हियर कलर ल्याब चाहिएको छ फोटो धुलाउने ठाउँ उले खोज्दैछ यसले सो बी सेज आई युजुअली हेभ माइन डेभलप्ड एट केबी फोटो स्टुडियो एन्ड केबी फोटो स्टुडियो यसमा एउटा छुटे छ केबी फोटो स्टुडियो where is that exactly where is that exactly KB photo studio where is that exactly B says it is in or it is at Balkho close to bus stop okay so KB photo studio where is that exactly so it is at Balkho यो स्मल एरियालाई हामी एड प्रयोग गर्छौं it is at Balkho close to bus stop दक्षिण काली सपोज क्लोज टु बस स्टप दक्षिण काली बस स्टपमा को नजिक छ अब you need a new suit I want to have order भन्ने verb युज गरेको छ a new suit do you know a good tailors around here B says I usually have mine ordered at unique tailor he says where is that exactly त्यसो भए यो कहाँ छ त it is in Kalimati opposite to Sweet Cave र 6 नम्बरमा छ the sole has come off your shoes जुत्ताको सोल उक्किएको छ यो समस्या छ यो प्रब्लम छ सो यसले भन्छ I want to have my shoe mended do you know a good cobbler को हामीले सर्भिस प्राप्त गर्न सक्छौं सो do you know a good cobblers around here B says I usually have mine mended at Raju shoe center म राजु शू सेन्टरमा यो काम गराउँछु राजुज वेयर इज दैट एक्ज्याक्टली कहाँ छ त यो सो बी सेज इट इज एट खहरे भन्ने ठाउँमा छ क्लोज टु पिपल बोटको नजिकै पर्छ यो र लास्ट नम्बरमा छ यु नीड सम फोटोकपिज अफ अ डकुमेन्ट तिमीलाई एउटा डकुमेन्टको केही कपीहरु चाहिएको छ फोटोकपी चाहिएको छ सो इट सेज आई वान्ट टु हेभ अ डकुमेन्ट फोटोकपिड म एउटा चाहिँ डकुमेन्टको फोटोकपी गराउन चाहन्छु Do you know a good photocopy center around here? I usually have mine photocopied at ABC photocopy center. म चाहिँ ABC photocopy center मा गराउँछु. So ABC it says where is that exactly? B it is at Taudah close to Taudah school. So in this way यसरी हामी चाहिँ यो एक्सरसाइज 1.5 लाई गर्न सक्छौं आस्किङ अबाउट सर्भिस को बारेमा सोच्ने तरिका सर्भिस को बारेमा हामी यसरी सोधपुछ गर्न सक्छौं र जवाफ दिन सक्छौं आजको भिडियोमा यति नै र अब फेरि अर्को भिडियो लिएर आउँछु र अर्को एक्सरसाइज को बारेमा एक्सप्लेन गर्ने छु धन्यवाद